Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to scan? First, verify your iPhone has LiDAR or a capable true depth camera and iOS is updated. Position the object on a stable surface and remove clutter so the scanner focuses only on the subject. Open the 3D scanning app and select resolution and color capture. Set a scale reference like a ruler. Now, hold your iPhone steady about 1 to 2 feet away and begin a slow orbit. Move around the object smoothly so the software gathers complete geometry. Continue the process by scanning in overlapping passes. You want consistent coverage and redundancy. Keep the iPhone 30 to 60 cm away and sweep from low angles to high ones to capture undercuts and edges. If surfaces lack texture, add temporary markers so the algorithm tracks features. Once done with one orbit, change elevation and repeat until the mesh looks solid. Make sure to inspect the live preview for holes. Fill gaps immediately by rescanning those zones rather than restarting the entire job. Finish by cleaning the mesh, trim extraneous geometry, fill holes, and smooth normals. These steps make models printable or game-ready. Once refined, apply color correction and verify scale against your reference. Export to the format your workflow needs: OBJ or SDL for printing, GLB for web and AR. If the file has inverted faces or missing textures, reopen the project and correct normals or rebake textures. Troubleshooting tip: if scans repeatedly miss areas, increase ambient texture or add temporary stickers to provide tracking points for the scanner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.